Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you how to make this healthy and refreshing tea, which can help you build strong immunity, prevent infections, promote overall health, and also help you to lose weight if you want to. In a clean pot, add about 3 cups of water, bring to boil, then add this ginger. I grated my ginger. You can also cut it into tiny bits and add. I'm also adding some cloves. You can use about 10 or up to half teaspoon of cloves. Then I'll cover it slightly and allow it to simmer for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, I'll put off the gas, cover again, and allow it there to brew and cool for about 7 minutes again. After another 7 minutes, I'll then sieve it and serve. I'll also be adding it half of lime juice. You can also use lemon juice. And a teaspoon of honey. Take a cup of this in the morning and you'll be full of energy and happy. You can also take it at night. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.